What is up guys, this is Fusion and I'm watching some random interesting facts, so let's move on to the video.
The first Indian to own car was Jamshedji Tata. He bought his first car in 1898. This is a dimple making machine made in 1936. Michael Jackson wanted to become a Spider-Man so bad that he attempted to buy Marvel. Chocolate milk is more efficient at giving energy than most energy drinks. Among Us has taught us that being right isn't enough, you have to convince people that you are right. Man in Bihar built Scorpio-shaped water tank on his terrace to express his love for his first car. Scotland became the first UK nation to ban smacking children under 16. Neither teachers nor parents can beat up their children now.
The difference between a needle and a bee sting.
This man robbed a bank for $1 so he could be arrested and sent to jail for free medical healthcare. How big is Google? On August 16, 2013, Google went down for 5 minutes and the global internet traffic dropped by 40%. The reason you wake up before you die in a dream is because the brain doesn't know what comes after death.
Photographer captures the perfect movement of a black panther looks like a leopard's shadow.
The most expensive man-made object is International Space Station. Its final cost will be over $100 billion.
Airplane food isn't very tasty because our sense of smell and taste decrease by 20 to 50% while flying.
An apple and a banana were left inside the locker for 6 months during quarantine. It takes approximately 75,000 flowers, which need to be plucked by hand, to make it 1 pound of saffron. This is why it's so expensive. There is a restaurant in Mexico known as Interstellar, which is decorated with more than 250,000 lights. Bamboo that grew up during the pandemic without the effect of tourist touch. Imagine being able to make stone look soft. The crystal clear water of Dauki River in Meghalaya, India. The Titanic's fourth funnel was fake. It was added to make the ships look more powerful and symmetrical. Spanish fashion designer Manuel Torres invented the world's first clothes spray which after application to the body can be removed, washed and worn again. This is the world's last non-white giraffe. It has been fitted with a GPS tracking device to save it from poachers in Kenya. This African craftsman recycles the old tire into shoes and he's so good that he can measure your feet and make you a pair that fits you perfectly. In other countries, mafia makes witnesses disappear so they can't be testified in court. In Colombia, Pablo Escobar made the whole Supreme Court of Colombia disappear.